Imagine a world where sidewalks light up with every step you take, where the simple act of walking to work generates the electricity for the streetlights guiding your way. This isn't science fiction. It's the dawn of a new energy revolution happening right beneath our feet. Can the kinetic energy from our collective footsteps genuinely power our cities sustainably? Welcome to the Clean Energy Journey YouTube channel, where science meets sustainability. We share how green energy will save our planet in the future. Today we're exploring the incredible technology of piezoelectric pavement tiles, turning every single step into clean, usable power. The science behind this footstep power might sound complex, but it boils down to a simple and elegant principle: piezoelectricity. The concept is a basic equation of physics. When you apply pressure to certain materials, they generate a tiny electric charge. Think of it as pressure creating a vibration, and that vibration results in electricity. The materials that make this possible are all around us, from natural crystals like quartz to specially engineered ceramics and advanced polymers. To truly understand it, let's visualize the process. Picture a slow-motion animation. Your foot presses down on one of these tiles. That compression squeezes the piezoelectric material inside, causing its internal crystal structure to deform. This microscopic shift displaces the positive and negative charges within the material, creating an electrical voltage. This charge is then instantly captured and can be used to power something like an LED light. Of course, the amount of energy generated depends on several factors: the frequency and force of the footsteps, the weight of the person, and the quality of the piezoelectric material itself. But when you multiply that tiny charge by thousands or even millions of footsteps, the potential becomes immense. This incredible technology didn't just appear overnight. It was born from a vision to make our urban spaces more interactive and sustainable. One of the pioneering stories in this field is that of Pavegen, a UK-based company founded in 2009. The founder, Lawrence Cook, was driven by a powerful idea. What if we could empower citizens to become part of the energy solution just by going about their daily lives? The journey started with early, sometimes clunky, prototypes tested in unconventional ways, including installing them on a building site to see if they could withstand heavy foot traffic. These early experiments paved the way for refined designs and major installations, like the ones in London that captured global attention. By featuring the engineers and designers behind the technology, we see that innovation isn't just about machines and algorithms. It's about human passion and a relentless drive to solve problems. Their motivation wasn't just to generate electricity, it was to create a tangible connection between people and the energy they consume, making our cities feel more alive and responsive. So, how does this system work in a bustling city? The process is surprisingly straightforward. The piezoelectric tiles are strategically installed in high-traffic areas where they can capture the most energy, such as underneath sidewalks, in busy metro stations, or at the entrances to stadiums and shopping malls. When a person steps on a tile, the kinetic energy from their footstep is converted into a small electrical charge. This raw energy is then channeled into a capacitor, which acts as a small short-term battery, storing the electricity from multiple steps. From there, the stored energy can be used immediately to power low-voltage applications like streetlights, digital advertising displays, or environmental sensors. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Modern systems integrate these tiles with the Internet of Things (IoT). Each tile can become a data-collecting sensor, tracking footfall patterns in real time. This data can be analyzed by AI-powered energy monitoring systems to optimize lighting, manage crowd flow, and make our cities smarter and more efficient. It transforms a simple sidewalk from a passive slab of concrete into an active, intelligent part of the urban infrastructure. This isn't just a theoretical concept. It's already being implemented in cities across the globe, providing powerful proof of its potential. In London, Pavegen tiles have been installed in major transport hubs and airports. using the constant flow of commuters and travelers to power lighting and interactive displays. Across the Atlantic, New York City has experimented with smart sidewalks that not only generate power, but also engage the public with data visualizations, showing them exactly how much energy they're creating. In Australia, university campuses in Sydney and Melbourne are applying this kinetic energy technology as part of their campus-wide sustainability initiatives, educating the next generation of leaders about innovative green solutions. And in Toronto, a forward-thinking project combined kinetic tiles with solar panels, creating a hybrid green system that captures energy from both the sun above and the footsteps below. These case studies provide tangible data. For example, in some installations, just a few thousand steps can power LED lighting for an entire night, demonstrating that this technology is not just a novelty but a viable component of our future energy mix. Of course, no new technology is without its challenges, and addressing them is key to building trust and understanding its true potential. One of the primary hurdles for piezoelectric pavement is cost. Manufacturing and installing these advanced tiles is currently more expensive than laying traditional concrete. Another challenge is efficiency. A single footstep generates a relatively small amount of energy, roughly 5 to 10 joules, which is just enough to power an LED for a fraction of a second. The system's effectiveness is entirely dependent on scale. It takes millions of steps in high-traffic areas to generate a meaningful amount of power. Engineers are also focused on durability. These tiles need to withstand millions of footsteps, heavy rain, extreme temperatures, and the general wear and tear of a busy urban environment. We're seeing rigorous testing for wear resistance and waterproofing to ensure a long lifespan. To overcome these limitations, the next generation of research is exploring stronger, more efficient polymers and even flexible nanogenerators that could be integrated into a wider variety of surfaces. Acknowledging these real-world issues isn't a sign of weakness. It's a mark of credible, transparent innovation that avoids the pitfalls of tech hype. Beyond the technical specifications and engineering hurdles lie the profound environmental and social benefits of this technology. At its core, footstep energy is a beautifully poetic concept. It's human-powered energy. It reframes our relationship with our environment, turning a mundane action into a positive contribution. In dense urban areas, these tiles can reduce the reliance on fossil fuels for essential low-power systems like public lighting, wayfinding signs, and data networks. More importantly, it fosters a sense of public participation and shared responsibility. When people can physically see their movement generating light, they become active co-creators of their sustainable city. Imagine a public square at night, where crowds walking through create a mesmerizing, glowing display of light. This visual feedback loop isn't just functional, it's deeply inspiring. It transforms energy generation from a distant, abstract process into a personal, communal experience, promoting a collective sense of progress and empowerment. The economic and urban impact of footstep power is equally compelling, appealing to the logic of city planners and civic leaders. While the initial investment may be high, the long-term savings on electricity for localized microgrids can be significant. Furthermore, these installations can become attractions in their own right. Walk to light. Events and interactive energy-generating floors can boost ecotourism and create unique public engagement opportunities. When compared to solar or wind power, kinetic tiles may not compete on a large scale, but they excel in a specific niche: small-scale, decentralized energy generation in dense, shaded urban canyons where solar panels are impractical. The ultimate vision is one of hybrid urban systems where kinetic sidewalks, solar-paneled windows, and small-scale wind turbines work in synergy. This creates a resilient, multifaceted energy grid that harnesses power from every available source, both natural and human. This isn't just idealism. It's a smart, pragmatic approach to building the green economy and future-proofing our urban infrastructure. Looking ahead, the future of footstep energy is incredibly bright. Researchers are exploring cutting-edge advancements that could revolutionize the technology. Self-healing materials could automatically repair wear and tear, dramatically increasing the lifespan of the tiles. AI-optimized grids will be able to predict footfall patterns and distribute the generated energy with maximum efficiency. And the development of ultra-thin, flexible nano-harvesters could allow us to integrate energy-capturing technology into almost any surface, from stadium floors and public transport vehicles to the very fabric of our clothing. In the next decade, we could see this technology evolve from a fascinating novelty into a necessary component of smart city design. Imagine stadiums where the roar of the crowd is converted into power, or dance floors that light up powered by the dancers themselves. The applications are limited only by our imagination. The future is a montage of vibrant, intelligent cities powered in part by the very people who inhabit them. So, from a simple scientific principle to a global movement, Footstep Power is paving the way for a more sustainable and interactive future. We've seen how it works, where it's being used, and the incredible potential it holds. It's a powerful reminder that innovative solutions can be found in the most unexpected places, even in the ground we walk on. The clean energy revolution is not just about massive solar farms or towering wind turbines. It's also about the small collective actions we take every day. The clean energy revolution might just start with your next step. Thank you for joining us on the clean energy journey. If this story inspired you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your ideas in the comments below. Where do you think these energy-generating tiles should be installed first in your city? Let's continue the conversation.